5 signs you're not in love anymore. You're just attached. Hi, ako si Will and this is Will Talks. Number 1, you miss the memories, not the person. You replay the old moments not because you want them back, but because you miss who you were back then. Yung ikaw na masaya, yung ikaw na buo. Di mo naman siya talaga namimiss eh. Namimiss mo lang yung feeling na mahalin. Number 2, you stay because it's familiar. Komportable na. Kabisado mo na yung routine. Yung good mornings, yung tampuhan. But comfort is not the same as connection. You're staying because you're scared to start over again, not because you're still in love. Number 3, you keep hoping they'll change, but you have already stopped believing they will. Alam mong paulit-ulit na lang. Same issues, same pain, same story, pero umaasa ka pa rin kasi nga sanay ka na. That's not love anymore. That's fear of letting go. Number 4, you feel more drained than inspired. Love is supposed to make you grow, pero kung araw-araw na lang pagod ka, baka hindi na pagmamahal yan. Baka obligation na lang yan. You love the comfort, not the connection. And number 5, you don't see a future. You just don't wanna lose the past. You keep holding on kahit alam mong tapos na. Kasi pag binitawan mo, mawawala yung buong chapter ng buhay mo na yun. Pero minsan, alam mo, kailangan mong tanggapin na your story already ended. You just keep on rereading the last page. You're not in love anymore. You're just attached to what it used to be. And maybe it's time to set yourself free para matutunan mo ulit kung ano yung totoong pagmamahal. Gets?